So we got that turned over. I'm trying to take this stuff off. I'm gonna put this stuff away. Well, I know where it is. Am I missing anything? Got one behind there. So your engine is gonna be, your motor is gonna be different. It's just I'm gonna take this off to see what happens. I'm not really an engine type person. I can't really rebuild stuff like this. But it may be something that's maybe common sense, maybe something somebody like me can figure out. So we're gonna take this off, and then what we're gonna do is take it from there. I mean, it's fairly old, so we may have to do some investigation. So we're gonna take one step at a time. Okay, so now I'm gonna lift this puppy off, put him over there. I had those started already. All right, so we took all those off, loosened this stuff up, took off the wire for the spark plug. I'm gonna lift this thing off, put him to the side so we don't forget where he goes. Look down in there. So it started raining. Tried to bring this in the shed. So now, since I can't work out there on the table, I'm just gonna take a minute and spray some penetrating oil down in here. Supposedly it won't hurt the engine. I'm gonna spray that down in there. Okay, so we let it soak for a day. We put it back together. We're gonna see if the engine's gonna turn. And it's still seized up, but that's okay, because there's one other thing we can do, and it's probably gonna fix it, totally fix it. So all you have to do is find yourself a box cutter. Doesn't even have to be sharp. Find yourself a box cutter and just walk over to the one you bought from Harbor Freight. You got for $140, and you can sure enough have this running in a matter of minutes. So that's how we're gonna do that one.